welcome back to the channel MumBikerBoy. I'm sure you guys are doing great and enjoying the rains, and it's time for me also to enjoy the bike rides during the monsoons. Well, this is my third ride during the rains, and we are headed towards Karnataka to explore a few spots. I'm sure you have heard of them but wanted to visit. So stay along through this beautiful ride with us as we are approaching Aldona. We'll be crossing, Aldona, Kalvim, and then we'll be going towards Chorla Ghat, passing Shatabdi Resorts. Of course, you've seen that in my previous vlogs. It is very close to Shatabdi Resort, and we are four riders who are actually going ahead for this beautiful ride. We have left at around 6 o'clock in the morning, and we're going to stop directly for breakfast now. So I have reached Sakle. I'm just waiting for the three riders to come in. I've reached the Sri Saryanai Dattavadi temple. It's right here. So I'm actually waiting for them. There should be another 15-20 minutes. They should be here. Till then, I'll just wait. That's Layla for you guys. This is actually the beauty of riding during the monsoons, where you have dew, you have the clouds. When you reach the Ghat stuff, you have the clouds. You're riding through clouds. The roads were a little bad, but we were almost reaching our destination for breakfast. As you can see, we're just entering the spot, and we were all hungry. Actually, Sachin was the most hungriest, and we decided that let's go ahead and stop here. This was a planned stop, and we actually enjoyed it was a good decision to stop here by Kedar. So we have finally made it to Kunjan, the restaurant here. Before Satavari. Of course, you've seen the vlog. Satavari is very very close, so you need to take a left from here for Satavari. And yes, the boys enjoyed the ride. It was raining throughout when we left from Goa. Only the road after Chorla, as you've seen, is very bad. After crossing the Ghat is very bad, but now I think it's all good. So let's enjoy breakfast, and then we'll take you to the spots that we're going to actually visit. We'll try and visit 4 spots. But let's see if time permits and how the day goes ahead further. I won't be able to give you drone shots because it's raining continuously. But fingers crossed, let's see if we get that chance. So let's enjoy breakfast now. This is the restaurant, this Kunjan. You can see he's got an old ambassador as a sofa, very well. And this is the Bajaj Super. Is used as a trolley cart, and that's the Lambi over there. So the boys are actually seating over here. It's very beautiful restaurant, you can see. And let's go ahead and order something to have breakfast actually. Stomach full. I had the burji with puri, as you all seen. It was amazing. It was fantastic. I asked them to make it a little spicy, and yes, we're all tanked up. Our tanks also had to be full. We're all tanked up. Now it's time to actually go ahead. The first spot is very close by. Unfortunately, it started raining again, so no drone shots, but let's enjoy the view and the spots right now. Acha, take your bike and see where you can take the bike.
No, we can't take.
You can't take?
No.
Why?
It's too mushy and there you can't even walk. It's on it's like a tabletop and you have to climb down.
Okay.
And it's too slippery also. Because I fell there. When I came here, no, I fell there because it's too slippery.
You cannot take the bikes at all?
No.
Fuck.
How far is the place from here? Nearby only.
Go check and come. He's going to check and come. Wait.
He's good at off-roading.
How far is it?
Nearby only. Till there only we can take bike.
Come. He's saying come there, till there, come. No, he's saying. Kutin ki jagah le rahe tu?
I was telling it's become very rough because I can hear the sound.
You don't want to go?
I'll wait for you.
Too high, huh?
Out.
There are a lot of them. This is our second stop and the first point that we are going, that is Kankumbi Watercourse. Now apparently we cannot take our bikes because it's slushy and mucky, so Kedar is actually going to be here to look after the bikes, and that's all of us going down. But I'm not sure if you can go there. I think you have to go all the way there, cross it and go that side. था किती कोणाचे So we have crossed, you can see we have crossed from that side all the way here, and we are going up here. So me and Sahil were the last ones. We actually crossed the bridge as well to explore, and it was fun. A small thing to witness. It was fun. I apparently cannot fly the drone, is only because it's pouring, but nevertheless it's time to go to the next spot now. So the three of us decided to actually go ahead on this off-roading small spin, and you could see he just missed to fall, and I actually had a slip as well. Now we decided to go ahead and enjoy this, monsoon off trek kind of vibe. We wanted to see how it is. We had the small river crossing that you would see right now, and it was fun. We only three of us decided to go ahead, and Sachin and Kedar decided to wait back and join the group once we returned. Now we enjoyed this part. It was raining, as you can see, continuously. We had fun. It was an amazing ride. We were now headed towards our last and final destination. This is a waterfall, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Fingers crossed, if it does not rain I'm going to go ahead and fly my drone and give you some amazing shots from this beautiful place and this beautiful ride of ours. So we have finally reached Chigulegundi Waterfall, and that is the guy who brought us to this Chigulegundi Waterfall. Let's see if we can get a drone shot because it stopped raining, but I'm little skeptical of getting a shot. But check this out. You need to see this. You need to see this, huh? So guys, we have finished our beautiful Sunday ride to this amazing spot. This was the only spot where I could fly my drone, but nevertheless I hope you enjoyed this off-roading, the river crossing, the fall of course, and to many more such rides. This is MumBikerBoy saying thank you, cheers, and see you soon on another ride. Till then, ride safe, peace out, and see you soon.